have on us. As you can imagine, oil, the prices of oil have already taken a adjustment upwards. But it went all the way up to 82 pesos. I'm sorry, $82. Initial shock. Pero they closed at 76.50. So naka-adjust na pababa. So that is expected. First of all, let me assure everyone that we have sufficient supply of oil. Meron tayong stockpile that are approximately 50 to 60 days in terms of gasoline, in terms of fuel oil, and in terms of kerosene. So that is let me immediately allay the fears of everyone that our supply of oil-derived product, of oil products, oil-derived product, even fertilizer is something that we have to look at, and we have sufficient supply. Let me look at the precise numbers. Our stockpiles are diesel, we have 50.5 days, fuel oil is 51.5 days, gasoline is 51.5 days, kerosene we have 67.5 days, jet fuel A1 jet fuel 58 days, LPG is 29 days. So we are okay for that period of time. Ngayon, to further provide the supplies of these oil products, ay yung ating mga pinagkukuhanan ng ating mga iba't ibang oil products ay meron din silang stockpile. So, hindi lalabas, hindi pa nila in-export. So that is another potential supply for us. However, we must be very clear that if you are a country that is holding a stockpile of oil products, you will export as little of it as possible so that you keep your own stockpile high. And while this crisis is going on, while we do not know what is going to happen. However, beyond that, of course, there will be a great effect on the oil prices that we are facing here. We have already seen the reaction on oil products, sa crudo, sa gasolina, sa LPG, at naramdaman na kaagad. And that's again expected. So we have put together some scenarios. We cannot know. We have heard many estimates kung gaano katagal ito. Ang naririnig natin coming out of the United States is 4 to 5 weeks. Hopefully, it will be less. And hopefully, before the 4 to 5 weeks, the level of intensity of the fighting will come down. In other words, the commerce will proceed in a more or less normal way, number one. And secondly, that the oil production will start to normalize. And hopefully, of course, this is our hope, sooner rather than later, that this will happen. However, in the scenario that Dubai crude it comes between $80 and $90 per barrel, and this lasts for 2 months. We have identified, and assuming that Iran exports continue, although I don't think that is a fair assumption anymore, because that's going to be the first place that people that the attacks will occur. So the response of the government, some of the interventions that we are thinking about, is to have targeted fuel subsidies to the affected area, to the affected sectors, such as the transport sector,